Hey everyone, you're watching Flutter with Alan, and today we are discussing about Dart fundamentals. In the previous lecture video, we will discuss about what are if-else condition in Dart. In this video, we just go through what are ternary operation in Dart or ternary operator in Dart. Okay, in the previous video, I already talked about the voting system protocol. I repeatedly used that strategy at here. If you are above the age of 18, then you are eligible to vote. Otherwise, you cannot vote by using ternary operator. So firstly, I define void main function at here. So I will be declaring int function, int data type, by using the variable name as age is equal to 18. Then I will be declaring string data type, and I will be giving a variable name as result. Result is equal to, firstly I am giving a condition as age greater than or equal to 18. Then the ternary operator, by using, we have to first add a question mark. That's the core of the ternary operator. So I'll be writing question mark at here. Then we have to write double quote marks at here. And what was the actual prompt to see the user? That's the prompt we have to implement at here. So I'll be using, if you are age above 18, then you are eligible to vote. So I'll be write you are eligible to vote. After the end of the double quote marks in ternary operator, we have used the full colon at here, and the next condition we have to be write by using double quote marks. Okay, then the next condition I'll be given, you are not eligible to vote. If the condition is above 18, you are eligible to vote. Otherwise, you are not eligible to vote. That's the condition I'll be writing at here. So you are not eligible to vote. Okay, at the end of the line we have to put a semicolon. Perfect. So here is the underline of yellow color will be shown. Why? We have to print the variable name. We have to print the variable name by using the print function. So I will be giving the name as result at here. Put the end of the line a semicolon. Then I will run the code here. The debug console will show you are eligible to vote. Why? Because I will given the value is 18. If the above value is 18, you are eligible to vote. Otherwise, you cannot vote. I am giving the value as 17. And I will be run the code here. The debug console will show you are not eligible to vote. Perfect. And the main difference between if-else conditions and the ternary operator, if-else condition and the ternary operator, is that if-else is the traditional way. If-else is the traditional way write the conditions, while the ternary operator helps write code in shorter format. That's well because we using the ternary condition. This is the manner to write the ternary condition. Okay, I used a simpler manner to get a strong idea of ternary operator as a beginner. Okay, see you on next video. Keep coding, take care, and bye.